In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Adobe Firefly account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in firefly.adobe.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Adobe Firefly. Or instead of that, you can also open the application if you have downloaded the application. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of this interface, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various sign-in methods over here. You'll be able to find the options like continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, or you can also sign in with your email address. So simply click on the option of your choice. Since I created the account using the Google, I'm just going to click on this option continue with Google. You can simply click on the method that you use while creating your account. If you're logging into your account using the Google account for the very first time, you'll have to allow various access. But if you've already logged in earlier, you can see over here, you'll automatically be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Adobe Firefly account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.